how to send your clients a link of your preview website and also give them a feedback link. So I know the topic of this video is pretty long, but I'll just summarize the main topic for you. That, for example, if you want to send your client, the client who assigned you to work on their project that you're designing. So if you want to send them, a preview that how is the website going, where you have reached, what are you doing, are the goals accomplished, are the tasks accomplished. So if you want to send them a preview link, although the website has not been completed yet, it's not published yet, but still if you want to send them a preview link, then watch this video and by the end of it, you'll know how to do it. So this is a very easy video. This is pretty simple. I know the title kind of looks very complicated, but it's not like that. It's very simple and easy to do. What you need to do is you need to log in first to wix.com. And then what you need to do is you need to uh, go here on design site and open the website editor. And once when you're here, like, uh, once when you're here, right here in the website editor, what you need to do is you need to go on site. And once when you go to site, then you need to come down. Uh, let's just see where is the, yes, right here, sorry. You need to click on get feedback. So here, this is the URL or the link of the website that you're working on. And when you click here on copy link, the link now has been copied. You can close it right here, and from here you can do anything that you want because you have the link. You can just email the link to your clients and they're going to open it. You can WhatsApp the link, or you can, upload the link on Google Drive and then send, if you're working on a combined Google Drive, like you and your client, you can upload the link there and the client can open it or access it from right there. So let's see how the view is gonna be when the client opens it up. So here you go, it's written give feedback. Okay, so as my password is protected, uh, the client needs to put the password, and after putting the password, then the client can only open the website. But however, you can see there are two views. One is the mobile view, one is the desktop view. The client can analyze the website or, see the contents in either, the desktop view way or the mobile view way. But that's the main thing. That's how it's done. So I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.